Teach a Laplace transform, example of Laplace transform. A Laplace transform, I said, is a topic in engineering mathematics. Laplace transformation is also applicable in both physical sciences and engineering. So now I'm going to solve question on Laplace transform. So let's say find Laplace transform. Find Laplace transform transform of say 3 sine 2t minus 2 cos 2t. So they say find the Laplace transform of 3 sine 2t minus 2 cos 2t. So now we take our f of t now. So let our f of t equal to 3 sine 2t minus 2 cos 2t. Now, from our Laplace equation, we give you f of s, will give you integral form or integral sign from 0 to infinity. Multiply exponential raised to the power of minus st. Then you multiply it by f of t times what? dt. Now, knowing that our f of t is equal to this, so it's the same thing. There's something you need to know. If you have Laplace transformation of f of s equal to integral sine of 0 to infinity exponential minus st f of t times dt, it will give you the same thing as Laplace transform of f of what? T. The same thing to give you Laplace transform of f of t. Why? Because your integral sign from 0 to infinity and your exponential that is raised to the power of minus st and t. The three of them will make up this Laplace transform. And I'm going to multiply by f of t. So now, knowing that our f of t will give you 3 sine 2t minus 2 cos 2t. So you're going to substitute it here. If you substitute here, you're going to have our f of x will give you the Laplace transform of f of t. Our f of t will give you 3 sine 2t minus 2 cos 2t. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply it by the Laplace symbol. Laplace symbol. So we multiply it. We're going to use this Laplace symbol to open up this bracket. So it will now be this times this will give you Laplace transform of 3 sine 2t minus Laplace transform of 2 cos 2t. So mind you, you have constants. The first one now, you have 3, the constant is 3. Then the second one now is what? 2. So for sine 2t, the constant is 3. So you bring it out from this Laplace symbol. You have 3, then multiply by Laplace transform of sine 2t. Then this one now, this constant here, you bring it out. You have minus 2 multiplied by Laplace transform of what? Cos 2t. This is what I'm going to get now. So from our proof in our previous lesson class, I was able to derive. I said the Laplace transformation of sine alpha t. So I was able to get alpha over x squared plus alpha squared. Therefore, Laplace transformation of cos alpha t. Cos alpha t will give you x over x squared plus what? Alpha squared. So this formula, I was able to prove it. If you check my YouTube channel, you see how I derive this formula. How I obtain the Laplace transformation of sine alpha t, and how I obtain the formula for Laplace transformation of alpha t. So if you, from the proof, you get this alpha sine alpha t, Laplace transformation of sine alpha t will give you alpha over x squared plus alpha squared. Then sine alpha t will give you x over x squared plus alpha squared. That is for Laplace transformation of cos alpha t. So now, looking at this equation now, I have this equation now. Here, I have sine 2t. The first one is sine 2t, the second one is cos 2t. So now if I have my sine alpha t, if I compare it, if I compare it with if I compare it with the sine 2t, you compare it, you're going to have this sine will cancel this sine. So you're going to have alpha t is equal to 2t. And this 2 will cancel this t, is common. So at the end of the day, you're going to have alpha will give it 2. So the value of your alpha will give it 2. So from here now, we can get our Laplace transformation of sine. Then alpha is 2. Can get can calculate for Laplace transformation of sine 2t to give you, since our alpha is 2, we put it here, 2 over s squared plus alpha is 2. So we have 2 squared plus 2 squared, 2 squared. So to give you 2 over s squared plus 2 squared will give you what? 4. So this is our Laplace transformation of sine 2t. So I'll do the same thing for Laplace transformation of cos, cos theta. So now, if you do the same thing now, like comparing cos alpha theta with cos 2 theta. So the reason why I'm comparing it now is for me to get my alpha. So cos, you have cos 2 theta. So that this cos will cancel this cos. I have my alpha theta is equal to 2t. So that this t and t is, I have t here, I have t is common. So it will cancel each other. So I'm going to find that I'm going to have my alpha will give it 2. So I'll now look for the Laplace transformation of cos 2t will give you x over x squared plus alpha squared, which is 2 squared. So I'm going to have x over x squared, 2 squared will give you 4. So you're going to have x over x squared plus what? 4. So this is what I'm going to get. Laplace transformation of cos 2t will give you x over x squared plus 4. So now I'm going to substitute it here in this equation here. From this equation I have this, the whole of this is equal to what? F of x. Is equal to f of x. So my f of x now, I have my f of x will give you 3. 3 multiplied by Laplace transform of sine 2t. And Laplace transformation of sine 2t will give you 2 over x squared plus 4. I have multiplied by 2 over x squared plus what? 4. Then the next one is minus. I'll write my minus sign. So minus 2 times Laplace transform of cos 2t. Laplace transform of cos 2t. You have 2 multiplied by Laplace transform of cos 2t. Cos 2, Laplace transformation of cos 2t will give you x over x squared plus what? 4. So you are going to multiply it to make a bracket. So when you multiply, you're going to have 3 times 2 will give you 6 over x squared plus what? 4. So minus, if you open up this bracket, this times this, 2 times x will give you 2x over x squared plus what? 4. So or it will give you f of x. So that's the final answer. So therefore, your f of x will give you 6 over x squared plus 4, then minus 2x over x squared plus what? 4. That's the final answer. That's the final answer. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's the only way YouTube will recognize my channel. And also don't forget to press the like button. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.